Welcome back. In this section, we will delve into the essentials of modern API development using Sswagger. We will explore what Sswagger is and why it holds significant importance in the world of API development. First of all, what is a Sswagger? Sswagger is an open source framework that allows developers to design, document, and consume RESTful APIs. Originally, it is developed by SmartBear software. Sswagger has evolved into the OpenAPI specification, a widely adopted standard for defining APIs. There are a lot of importance of the Sswagger in API development. Here are some that have been listed onto this. So the first of all, API documentation. One of the primary functions of Sswagger is to facilitate the documentation of APIs. With Sswagger, developers can create interactive and comprehensive documentation for their APIs, including details about the endpoints, parameters, request response formats, and authentication methods. This documentation serves as a vital resource for the developers who needs to understand how to use API effectively. The second one, I would say, standardization. Sswagger promotes standardization in API development by providing a structured way to define API specifications. By adhering to OpenAPI specification, developers ensure the consistency across the APIs, making them easier to understand and work with both within teams and across organizations. Sswagger also helps for the client code generation. So it enables automatic generation of client SDKs for various programming languages. This feature simplifies the process of consuming APIs by providing ready-to-use code snippets and libraries that developers can integrate directly into their applications. Sswagger also facilitates API testing by offering tools like Sswagger UI, which allows developers to interact with APIs directly from the documentation. Additionally, Sswagger supports automated testing through the integration with the testing frameworks, improving the quality and reliability of the APIs. Sswagger is also more helpful in collaboration and communication. By using Sswagger to document APIs, teams can enhance the collaboration and communication within the development projects. Sswagger documentation serves as a central source of truth that developers, testers, and other stakeholders can reference to understand API functionality and requirements. So more details of the Sswagger you can find on the sswagger.io. In summary, Sswagger plays a pivotal role in API development by providing tools and standards for designing, documenting, and testing RESTful APIs. Its importance lies in its ability to streamline development processes, promote standardization, and improve communication among team members. As we progress through this course, we will dive deeper into how to leverage Sswagger effectively to enhance your API development workflow. With that said, it wraps up overview of the Sswagger and its importance in API development. So let's tune for the next session and we'll discuss more details about the Sswagger in the next session. Thank you.